Throughout Earth's long history, climate has changed many times. When occurring naturally, this is a slow process unfolding over centuries and millennia, giving the opportunity for biodiversity to adapt. The climate change that is happening now is occurring at a much faster rate. In the 1960s, some scientists started to warn about the problem caused by greenhouse gases that we release by burning fossil fuels. By now, most scientists, and governments too, agree that climate change is caused by human activity. In fact, 99.9% of scientists who have written articles for peer-reviewed journals have concluded that humans are the driving cause of global warming and climate change. Fossil fuels, such as oil, coal, and natural gas, which contain carbon stored for millions of years, are being burned intensively within a few decades. The burning process liberates enormous amounts of CO2, which gets trapped in the atmosphere and causes a rise in temperatures. We know the atmosphere is warming because scientists constantly make observations and study past, present, and future Earth climate. CO2 concentration in the atmosphere is quickly rising. As a result, the atmosphere's potential to trap heat increases, thus making Earth's temperatures rise. The average global temperature today is 1.2 degrees higher than at the end of the 19th century. Scientists consider an increase of 2 degrees compared to pre-industrial levels as a threshold with dangerous and catastrophic consequences for climate and the environment. Climate change is already negatively impacting every ecosystem on the planet, as well as us, humans. Climate change makes extreme weather events like heat waves, droughts, floods, hurricanes more likely and causes serious impacts, such as the melting of the ice sheets, the rising of sea levels, and the flooding of coastal regions, longer and more frequent droughts, more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall. Increased amounts of smoke in urban areas cause health problems such as asthma, heart diseases, and lung cancer. Water supplies diminish, areas where plants and animals can live also shift. Growing crops becomes increasingly difficult. The slower our collective actions towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions, the higher the rise in global temperatures will be. This will lead to more and more devastating consequences for the ability of ecosystems to deliver their services and consequently for human health, societies, and economies. Scientists believe that there are certain tipping points in the ecosystem's ability to return to their previous potential once they have been compromised because of rising temperatures. That is why it is crucial to act now. The good news is that many of the solutions, both technological and nature-based, are well known and already being implemented. They just need to be deployed on a larger scale to really make a difference.